Here is how to download YouTube videos. So first of all, open up YouTube app and then you will see a bunch of videos. So basically you can download any of this video, but sometimes you should have a premium account. So for example, I want to download this specific video, top 3 tanks. Alright, what we can do, you can anytime when you see a specific video, you can tap on 3 dots over here and tap on download video. If you already opened this specific, you will see a bunch of these specific options over here. You just swipe from right to left. So I just swipe it and you will see option download. So basically you can do it in any time when you want it. And you should notice again, some video need to have a premium account. So for example, I don't know. Alright, next step, what we can do, we can download your own videos. So go to your profile, tap on profile icon at the bottom right and tap on your specific video, or you can just tap on videos and select any of your videos that you want to download. For example, I want to download this specific video. What I can do, just open this specific video, then swipe from right to left, and here you will see option download and tap on it. Where to find these downloaded videos that you download to your device? So what we can do, just go to our profile, tap on profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen, and then just scroll down a little bit and you will see downloads, and you will see completely all downloaded video on your device. Also, you can delete one of them. Simply tap on 3 dots over here and delete from downloads.